if in the last session we have discussed, like we'll be learning like how to make the packing design. So let us take a packing like this. And packing does have a cover, here flip will be there, no, to get it insert, and this two side will be having to open, and the same thing will be happening in the downside also. So this is the box finally, but once you get it open, let us take with a calculation like height. Let us make the illustration. It is roughly I'm trying like 5 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter, and like the side maybe like a little lesser, like 2 centimeter, and this is 3 centimeter. So height 5 centimeter, width 2 centimeter, length 3 centimeter. So if the customer asks this type of packaging to be done, then how to start the things, right? This is a practical project oriented things. Now, if we start opening this pack, no, so there will be a smaller portion of the height will be the same, that 5 centimeter, but the width will be 2, and beside to that we'll be finding a 3 width file, because this will be coming to the length side, and again 2, and again 3, and at the end we can find a packaging like the pasting kind of things. So it will go and get closed somewhere here, right? Is for pasting. So this is what the pack is. And here, if this is 3, then it will be 1.5 and 1.5. There will be a box here, which is 1.5. And from here, 1.5 box. Final. Just I'm making illustration. This is quite important because it is to be done by the artist. Then only the final output can be come up. Once then we can able to understand what is the importance of it. And the same packaging will be there in the downside of 1.5. So hope the screen is visible, right? Now on the top side, yes, if it is going to cover the whole 2 centimeter, then this will be of 2 centimeter. Hope we have understood how the bigger will be it is, and like we can take a smaller portion here to get it folded. This is more than like after 2 centimeter it will be higher, and the same job can be placed over here to the downside. If it is to get flipped on the other side, this is 2 centimeter, and the folding, like consider these folders are 0.5 centimeter, okay, 0.5 centimeter. So let us go for a calculation. What will be the total height? So if you think in a rough manner, this is the height, topmost height is 0.5 centimeter plus the total of this height, the flip is 2 centimeter, right? 2 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. So not 0.2, this is 0.2 centimeter, 5, it is 2 centimeter. And this is 5 centimeter. Practical, and the same 2 and 0.5 will be coming over here, 2 centimeter and 0.5 centimeter. So total the height will be how much? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 10. Total 10 centimeter will be the height of your like canvas. And if you go for like width, then we can calculate in this way. This is 2 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 0.5. So together it will come up how much? 6 plus 4, 10, 10.5.
10.5.
Right, great. Centimeter. So hope we have understood the canvas size whenever we are starting a canvas, what will be the canvas size? You can write down like this, almost like a square. It will be a little width will be more, 10.5 centimeter by 10 centimeter 5. So we have understood now how does the first plan happen, second plan, and the canvas. Before going to the software, this much of things to be get finished, and it could be done by measurement also. This is the logic of making packing design. Once you are okay with this, then a lot of packing could be changed up. So this is one way we have taken. So let us go into the action mode. And what is the action over here? What is minimum requirement? We need 2 boxes. So we can do it in 2-3 different methods. So let us start with the first method. We need only 2 boxes, right? This is the first box is of 2 by 5, correct? 2 by 5, and the second box is 3 by 5. This 2 box majorly will be using up. So let us switch to the software now and make the canvas size to be get changed first. Before to that, let us change the unit setup first. Change centimeter. So you can go for the centimeter here, and all this unit setup start of centimeter. So 0 starts in the width from here, but in the height 0 starts from downside. Can you see the 0 button? Downside. So all the calculation will be happening in upper way. So what is the canvas size required? As if already we have made the calculation, the width will be 10.5 and the height will be 10. 10.5 and 10. So this is what the canvas where we are going to make the action. Now what is requirement? We need to take a box. What should be the size? As if you got to know, it is to be 2 by 5. Yes. So this is one of the box which is required to us. And the next box is 3 by 5. So you need to get it to come to the center of your canvas. How to bring to the center of the canvas? Just the button P for canvas. Now you need to move it to the left side. How to move to the left side? Change the reference point, get the X coordinate to go for 0. So hope we have understood now what is the action going on. Is it clear? Now select this, change the color to identify it and get it duplicate, plus to get duplicate, and reverse it, like flip it up, but change the size now from the left side, not like 2, it is 3. Okay, fine. So get the size to turn into 3 centimeter and change it of the next color. Hope it is clear now. Now get this to be double. We know how to copy paste. Here the option copy and paste it up. Now flip or move it up. First move it, and then from the center flip it. Only copy paste going on. And next, get it zoom a little so we can understand easily. Now this portion is for like pasting. So we need a 0.5%. Height remain the same. So get a copy of it, just one button over here and paste. And what is to be done now? Get it flip. Now the size to be changed from the left side. Yes, come to the left side, reference, and how much it should be? 0.5. So hope we got to know exactly the measurement job done. And let it turn into a gray color so that identify easily. Now it is the time to make the up and down portion, right? So hope the illustration is clear, and we need this to be how much the height here? This is 2. So let us finish the upper part first. Get it plus button, switch the reference point to the top side and get it flip vertical and get the reference point down immediately. How to change the reference point? This makes a sense. And get the height to be how much? 2 centimeter, right? So hope the job is done. We no need to do this side. Once it is done, you can bring it up. Now 0.5 onto the top side, plus get the reference point change and flip it up and get the reference point change and get the height to be down 0.5, height, not the width, 0.5. Now it is the place where we need to cover 1.5 because 1.5 and 1.5 will be 3. So this height will be 1.5. So select this, get a duplicate, copy paste, and select and change the reference point, and switch to the vertical flip and get the reference point down and height to be 1.5. Hope this is clear, and get it into the other color, and get this also to the other color. So it is inside, no design required. Now it is the time to get change the corners. So here we need to change the corner. So get it open and get the left top corner 0.5 and right top corner 0.5. Same job. It is to be here to the right side 0.5 and down also 0.5. So it is easy to understood, like it is going for folding and pasting. Now this part to get sharply cut. So rather than on the edge here, you can get it sharp. How to get sharp cut? First, convert that into convert to curve. This is the button, Control Q. And yes, select the points by the direct selection, your shape selection tool. And we know both sides can be scaled equally by this option. What is this option? Proportionately scaling reflection. So once you are dragging one side, the other side also get dragged automatically rather than individual drag. Hope this exercise is understandable. Now this whole person to be get copied. Am I right? So we can copy it off, Control C, Control V, and it is a time to go for flip it off. So flip it off and get it down to the canvas downside. So how to make it to go for canvas down? What is the answer? Alignment with reference to the canvas. How it could be done? Object, alignment, alignment distribution, switch to the option. Here we need to align object to this one option, page edge, and go to the downside. And yes, something somewhere went wrong. Okay, so everybody has gone down. It is correctly only come, but it is not in group. That's why it all the object get to the downside. What we can do here, we can group it up. We know how to group. Control Z, and now get it down. So what we have seen now, it has come to the downside. Now where it is should be here. So now it is the time to go for alignment. How to do the alignment with reference to this particular object? So select the object, already it is group. Select the next object by holding the shift. Now the software understand this is the target object and the alignment to the done to the right side. So it is now to the canvas. We can go for selected object. Switch to this. Now you can see like how to switch from canvas alignment to the object alignment and object alignment to the target object. So select the first object, select the second object. Now start asking to the software, get aligned to the right side. So hope we got to know how to make the alignment exactly. Does it clear? So it's time a level best to catch your eye to make it exact appropriate. And now another duplicate. Select this, switch to the right side, hotkey R. Select this. Okay, you can ungroup this all. This part is done. And get it duplicate, copy, paste. Select the object, then select the object and get it left align. L for left align. So hope we got to know how to make a packing design with measurement, with your present knowledge of alignment and duplications. Now at the end, yes, the client may ask, give the size of the canvas. Have a double click and find the canvas size done with a box. You can make later on to go for like stroke to out. Now the measurement the client asks, and already you have learned how to find the measurement, horizontal and vertical dimension. Click, click, move, press. So hope you got to know how to get the calculation to be done. Click and click, move. Click. So is it clear? Now it's the time to go for individual words to get mentioned. Yes, we can how to do that by the same tool. Drag, 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 drag. Just I'm mentioning the distance individual. So the client will not ask you the further questions like what is the width, what is the height, everything you have mentioned over here, and go for F9. So hope we have understood now how to make a packing design with measurement and calculation. Is it clear? Jardamanda? Fine, sir. Now later on, like text materials and all things, you can able to arrange it off. Once logo is done, then where to pick. So this could help you out in that angle. Just made it open. Still, like the time is to go for your questions and answers. And this is one of the way how you can able to make the packing. But the second way you can able to open the Windows and Docker, where you can able to open the grids guidelines. So you can switch on this. And now see the second method. First method clear. Now the second method, you can start working with the guidelines. You can put the guidelines. So the first guide will be coming on 0. The second guide will be, let us see in the vertical guidelines. This is vertical guidelines, right? First guideline will be 0. And the second guideline will be 2. Then 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So this will go on adding up as a guideline. This is 5, 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Then last one is 10.5. So this is what your guidelines, where you can put vertical lines and get it arranged. And exactly the same way, you can start from 0, from the downside. So it will be first guideline will be 0, second 0.5, third 0.5 plus this one. Let us consider this one 2.5. So hope we are understanding what we are writing here. This is vertical and horizontal is this on the top side going on calculation. 0, 0.5, 2.5, then 2 plus 5, 7.5, then 7.5 plus 2, your how much? 9, 10. I didn't get the calculation proper. Does it okay? Again 2. This is from till this we have done. Now this is 2. Then 7 plus 2, 9.5. Till here it is done. Then the upper one is 0.5. That is called 10. So hope we got to know how does the vertical and horizontal grids are measured. So this is the second method. So let us see how we can do the same design in this method. We have done the first method, and now we are switching to the second method. And here horizontal and vertical grid lines are there. Horizontal, these lines it will go on top 0 edge. So first line is done. Then what is the second? 0.5, right? So write down 0.5 because this is pure math. So you can find the grid is done. Next, 2.5. Why it is 2.5? How it is coming? That does matter. Next, 7.5. Because while we are in project table, math does matter. 9.5. And the upper one, 10. So you got to know the horizontal, means it is going up. Now vertical. So switch to the vertical lines, and already we have done the calculation. First one will be at 0. Add it up. Now second 2. Because your storyboarding is clear, then practical output will be very clear. 5, 8, 7, 8, then 10, 8, then 10.5, the pasting one, 10.5. So hope the grid is done. Then you can switch on the snap to the guidelines on it and just make the box to be arranged. No need to think now. Your design will be error free because it will snap to the grid. So change only the colors. Snap to the grid, change the colors. So easy. We have seen the same job in 2 methods. Snapper is on. Just how is it? alignment and all things are done automatic. So this is the tool. So hope we have understood now how to make the packing design in the second method by calculating with the grid. It will snap automatically. No mistake at all will happen. And here a 1.5 line has to be done. 1.5 means this is what your math. You can see the height one till it 7.5. From 7.5, we can make one more, which is 1.5. Right, 9 consider. I don't know like what is the things, but if it is not happening, then just make one box and 1.5 from the down. Oh, so this is what I expected, and get it copied, paste. So hope we have understood now how to make the same design within very less time with calculation. Is it clear? And rest of the things are folding and making the sharp cuts and all things that you know already. So hope we have understood now what is guideline, how to work with the guideline. Is it clear? So two different methods to make the same packing design. Without guidelines, like without guideline and with guidelines. Here the math to be done, and where this option is inside the windows, go for Docker and guide, open guidelines, and it will help you out to make the things done. Now you can start asking your questions. So you can face the question and get it clear.
सर
हाँ yes.
और सर जो आपने बताया गाइडलाइंस से बनाने के लिए, तो सर इसमें जो शेप देते हैं, जो बॉक्स था जिसमें हमने अभी पॉइंट को से कट किया था,
हाँ.
तो सर इसमें कट नहीं करेंगे? इसमें
ये
कैसे? Yes sir, yes sir.
Fine. So like the action is done and the rest of the things are the same. So you can go for convert to curves and select the points by the shape tool, and yes, drag it up, select and switch to this option, vertical like reflection, horizontal, and get it drag.
Yes.
Same logic, and to get it cut, the same thing on the top side, get it on 0.5 and 0.5. Sorry, done something wrong here. 0.5. Here is 0.5. Is it okay? So packing making is always a requirement in the market, and it does have a bigger value to make a single packing. They charge a lot because the product remain the same. Pharmaceutical industry use this particular style a bigger way because they need to sell their product with a new name. The chemical composition remain the same because I work with pharma companies, and every 15 days the same bottle comes up with a new name, and they need the packing design to change, and they give a lot of money to the designers because the whole business happens because of the design, because chemical remain the same, only the packing change and the value get add up more, and all credit goes to you. Fine then. So any more question?
Hello sir.
Yes.
So can we do 2 to 300 pages book in CorelDRAW?
2 to
300 pages.
Yes. You can go on adding. Just this is a button, no? You go on clicking this. It start up adding your new pages.
Sometimes it is getting stuck.
I have not tried. I didn't get. I have not tried like 200.
Sometimes the software is getting stuck, sir.
That's true. It depends upon your RAM and processor.
Okay, if my RAM is more, means it won't stuck, sir.
Yes.
I thought it is a software problem.
No.
So we cannot do.
I don't think so, because you can raise your RAM and it will work out.
Okay.
Because the number page becomes more, no? Then it will start up taking more RAM. In less page it is working, in higher page it is not working. Ultimately the thing is the RAM is taking.
Okay. So one more doubt, for designing which laptop or system can we take, and also RAM also, sir.
So just Surya sir's number is there with you. The IT specialist is there. Surya, sir.
Okay.
He can guide you proper.
Okay, sir. And one more thing, sir. In calendar, if we want to insert some text, means
Yes.
that I did not.
How to insert the text inside the calendar or image inside the calendar?
Yes.
Text, huh?
Image, no, sir. Text only.
Okay, fine. So I'll get it done once more. So let us take a new canvas and go for like A4 size calendar, and let's open the windows, tools, option, script, and script. So we'll take a rough calendar of one page only, just taking. Now, if you need to have a image inside it, then we can switch to this image predefined canvas. So let us go for a image inserting things and generate. Now, the first one is how to insert the image, and then go for like file menu and import the image, whichever the image we are looking for, and get it placed outside first. Then go to the option called object, power clip, place inside, click over here. So the first job is done. And have a double click.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Sir, this I understood, sir. I'm not asking this one, sir. In some calendars, it will be there, na, sir. Like Amavasya, Purnami, those details will be written, na, sir.
Okay. Extra like details to be get added up. Then
in each date we have to insert a text, means how we have to do, like.
Then individually you need to work out. Individually boxes to be get rid of. Individual work has to be done, because it doesn't give you predefined things that could be done individually.
So
Yes.
I
For
have to
this,
create individual boxes, sir.
individual box, or else once it is done, then one layout for a month can be done, and then that could be repeated.
Okay.
So let us take example here. We want to break something, then this box could be divided into multi-part, and then work could be done. For that we does have a option here somewhere. Grid tool is there, no? Graph tool, graph paper. So let us take this as a graph paper, and how many boxes required you can have to generate here. That action could be done up. Graph paper can able to help us to do this, because it is a multiple boxes, individual boxes. So graph paper may help you out to do this. So let us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 by 5. So switch to this and 6 by 5. 6 by 5. And the boxes are ready. And it is individual box. So whatever the things you want, you can do it. And that will be in very less time, it will get you errors. Already it is mentioned over here, then just drag it up and it will fit there. Exactly, it will fit up, and the rest of the things are center alignment. If it is done in there, then it will come up. And individual box is separate, and yes, you can put any color, anything there. So gridding could be used up, and you can send it to the backside. So that arrangement could be done up. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So any questions more? Like anyhow, like I'm with the number 9347321910 here, Tapan. This is my WhatsApp number. Anyway, it gets stuck up, just have a print screen and send to me. Then we'll see like how technology can able to help us. Because at the time of a need, like working, then you'll be facing the problem. This is my WhatsApp number.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, one more dot.
Yeah.
Motion graphics means it is different software, sir.
Yes, motion graphics. This is what you have done. Your 30 to 40% work is done in motion graphics. Every design you can able to draw it in Illustrator or CorelDRAW. Then the client will ask it to get it movement. So that movement kind of things will be done in another animating software. But they will be depending this Corel and Illustrator. You have done 30 to 40% job. It's over.
Okay.
The movement part will be done in After Effects or Fusion, like so.
Okay. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Tell me.
Sir, what is the size of calendar? It will be only one size or multiple sizes?
It depends on the clients. Generally, like A3 size paper is a bigger size, and like double the A4 size is A3. So this is what the size generally used. But yes, it is not fixed. And if the client asks us to do in a bigger size or the pocket calendar size also, we need to do that. As at that time, we need to ask to the client what is the size they are looking for. So generally, we can switch to the A3 size paper. So here you can find A3. This is, and vertically or horizontal, it depends. So A3 size paper, this is your double A4 size is A3. This is general size. But often even pocket calendars are there. So that would be again smaller. Visiting card size also they are making. Is it okay? Anyhow, like
Thank you,
you
sir.
people are making very nice designs. Some like I don't know the names, but they have sent us in WhatsApp wonderful design. It's done with Indian flag something. Logo designing. So you do much more faster. So that is what your best qualities. Let it explore more. Like which time it comes, nothing to get early. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Patience a little required, and this is a wonderful field where everybody can able to fit. And yes, the more we work on it, the qualification is secondary. Patience and you're hitting the skill, that is main criteria. What I have understood in my working. Yes. And Corel is a very useful software. Yes. Another software is there called Illustrator. So hope that has been done. If not, like that is again a wonderful international software, like Illustrator, which is the alternative to Corel, where you can draw the things very fast. That is widely used in visual media. For print is Corel wonderful. So I am just stopping the recording. Then after you can able to ask me anything you want.
सर
Yes.
सर जैसे हम लोगो बनाते हैं
हाँ.
तो